I'm going to give you the unboxing of the Redmi K20 Carbon Black Edition, 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM. There are 2 more colors and 1 more variant. Let's quickly cut open the box. I will break the seals now. On the top, we get a cardboard box and then we get our phone inside. Let me pop it out of the box now. It feels so nice in the hand with the metal frame and glass, but feels a bit heavy. We've got the red button on the right side, which is the power button. It looks good. Let me put it aside. Underneath that, we get a fast charger with 18 watts of fast charging. As you can see, there is written 5 volts 3 amps and 9 volts 2 amps. And then we get a Type-C cable in the box. As you can see, there is a Type-C cable. And we get a really high quality case in the cardboard box that we saw earlier, and some fan plates. The case is very good. It is smooth. It feels good in the hand. So I will just quickly set up the phone. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 730 processor, triple camera. I will add the fingerprint. Now, in this phone, we get the 7th gen in-display fingerprint sensor. So let's see how it works. It is taking a bit time to set up the fingerprint sensor. I'll just quickly test the sensor. It is fast. It is faster than the phones in this range. And we have triple rear cameras in it, 8 megapixel telephoto, 48 megapixel main, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. And the display is an AMOLED display, which is 6.39 inches. And it looks very good. And a bezel-less display with a pop-up camera, which is 20 megapixels. As you can see, I am playing a video on it, right? It also supports HDR. Now I will show you the Antutu score of the phone. It is around 210,000. And you can see the results on the screen right now. GPU around 58,000 and UX around 50,000 and RAM around 13,000. Now this one's also support the Widevine L1. So you can stream Netflix and YouTube easily. And also supports the camera to API. So we can run Google camera. As you can see, I will just show you some samples on the screen right now.